best way to go.
Gabriel, how do you feel about all this snow?
Yeah, good.
Why do you like it?
Because I like to play in it.
Okay. Let's keep moving.
Okay. This is for the mine. We're so deep in the snow. Stop again. Now stop.